Speed, you won't believe what Messi did.
Breaking news. At 9 p.m., Messi was arrested in Paris. He got caught stealing penalties and trophies. He paid a lot of money to the referees. He is now accused for being a fraud, dating a 14-year-old, stat padding in Uber Eats, and winning rigged trophies. Messi has been sentenced to 20 years in prison. He has been a fraud in football ever since he started his first debut. Shame on my idol pussy. I guess we all know who the real GOAT is.
See, look. I gotta understand, bro. Let's go! Let's go!